Did you know many plants follow mathematical patterns to grow efficiently? Take the Fibonacci sequence, for example. It starts with 1, 1, then adds the two previous numbers to get the next, 2, 3, 5, and so on. In sunflowers, the seeds spiral in a way that mirrors these numbers, maximizing space and sunlight. Even the way leaves are arranged on stems, called phyllotaxis, follows this pattern. This clever design reduces overlap, ensuring each leaf gets enough light for photosynthesis. Nature's math isn't just beautiful, it's functional too.